Spirits of the Night by Night Walker. In swirling clouds of silver lace, the disk of Luna lies concealed. Across the autumn skies they race, over the shadow realm surreal. On evening shadows now I gaze. A gentle wind swirls through the trees. From depths of sleep I watched, half-dazed, thin branches stirring in the breeze. Lights flickering neath mystic skies. Through gaps in trees they shine within. Entranced, my mind, I watched surprised. This spectral beauty in the wind. In these dark shadows, spirits drift, translucent ghosts and dryads old. From this meadow I sense their gift, strange stories from the wood untold. Oh, let me join thy sylvan fast, pale spirits of this solstice night, before the moon sets in the west, will reveal neath her misty light.